back to my channel, Tech with Tim. Today we are going to be making Minecraft using Python. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open our editor or the IDLE. I'm using Sublime Text, and over here I'm going to save this file on my desktop. So over here I've made a folder and Minecraft, and over here is I'm gonna make I've got assets, and that's the things we're gonna need for the game, like grass, dirt, blocks, and I'm gonna put all of that in GitHub so you guys can access it. But actually, I'm not gonna make a new folder. Sorry, I'm gonna over here I'm gonna go and um name this file. So I'm just gonna know main.py and then save. Now I'm gonna make a new one and save that one, calling that craft py. Yeah, there we go. So we say that now we have to head over to cmd, command prompt, run as administrator, and over here I'm gonna do pip install it's not letting me. Oh, sorry, could not find a version that satisfied requirement. Okay, I don't know why it's not working for me. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Sorry. So I think I must have spelled it wrong. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. I spelled Eurisna. It's actually Eurisina, and it's should go through all of this with you. And once it says it's done, then we could head over back. So while this is going on the side, I'm just gonna put from import everything is done. Nope, still collecting. We're gonna have to wait till this is done. Oh, there we go, it's done. Okay, so now we've imported that, and over here we're gonna make a, a class called test cube. So over here, and then let's make a class, and over here just call it test cube, and then inside let's put entity. So entity that, and over here gonna do define init and self. Then gonna do super dot init, open a bracket, parent c, and then I'm gonna comma model cube, texture let's see, what should we put the texture as? Let's put it as a white cube. There you go, and then rotation equals vector 3, and then over here on 45, 45, and 45. Alright, so that's that done. Over here we go back to our uh, from our imports, and over here let's import math, because we might need math later on. So we're going to import math, and Um, yeah. So thanks to Ursina, Minecraft is gonna be made. Okay, so test button, and this is also my first time building uh, uh Minecraft using a programming language. So yeah, so we made this class called test button. Now in this, let's define in it over here, but self, and then let's also put scale, and that only equals 0.1. Okay, so over here we're gonna put the same thing, super dot init parent scene model cube texture, put that brick color equals color dot white. If you guys are from the UK or watching this from the United Kingdom, which is where I am right now, I guess you guys will find it very odd looking at this, because I know you might think, oh look, I'm spelling color wrong, but in pro in Python, color is spelled like this. So if you guys point that out in the chat, I'm just gonna tell you that I am not wrong, but I am right as. But highlight. Oh, I spelled highlight wrong. There. So yeah. So go over here. I'm gonna do color dot red, and then I guess okay, press highlight color. Model texture. Okay, so over here it says highlight color. I think I spelled it right. Let me. I feel like I spelled it right. Yeah, but I don't know why over here down in my terminal, it's giving me some. Uh, okay, I'm gonna leave it like that. Take out this. So over here, I don't know why. I guess it looks completely fine to me. Yeah, it looks fine. So pressed color equals color dot line, and let's end the bracket here. Over here, let's define another one called input. Input, yeah, and then over here, let's put self and key in it. Now, if self dot hovered, and then if key equals to left mouse down, and then punch sound dot play. Okay, so what we've done over here, we've defined input. So we've basically we've like made define function, and here we've named it input. So and in it we put self and key, and if the key double equals to left mouse down, so if we do left mouse down, we're gonna play this punch sound. So if I go back to middle, sorry, it's in my double screen, I'll just bring it over other screen. Oh yeah, and then if I go to assets, I guess punch sound will be here. Punch sound. So that's gonna play, and yeah, it'll sound like this. Yeah, it'll sound like that. So that's how it sound, but only once. Like, see, let me bring this over too. If I go here, it's only going once, but it's just replaying every time. So if I just once, oh, don't know why, but it's only supposed to play once. Okay, so let's leave that and leave that for the side now. Okay, so alright, now we've done that. Let's go down here. Now we're gonna need the updates. We need to update it. So let's do update is run every frame because we're gonna need it to update every frame, and then define update if held keys and a that if held keys a, then cube dot x minus equals 1, then times that by time dot dt. Oh yeah, at the start I forgot to show you how the game is supposed to look like, so I'm gonna give you a peek right now. Give me a second. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I'm getting some error. Okay, I'm gonna run on the ideally. See if it works. You're gonna have to give me a second. Wait, so give me a second and I'll get it for you. Um, it's because I got a bit of error there. And then if I run it, yeah. Give me a second. I think it's part of. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. It looks like I feel like I'm running the wrong one. Oh yes, I am. Sleep me. I'm supposed to be running this one. Yeah, there we go. That was better. That would take us to the real Minecraft. There we go. See, so we, oh, aren't I super silly? Oh, where's my ideally? That let's turn it off and try and I jumped off there. There we go. So it'll be like something like this. So over here we have I'll use 1, 2, 3, 4. One is to like so one will get you the dirt block. Two will get you the so what is it called? You press left mouse to like put the block down. So 3 is this and 4 is this. So okay, and we can keep building like the more of a platform. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, but you could keep building. Oh, come on. Is it not gonna let me build it? Is that hard? Okay, fine. Is that hard, isn't it? To build one block. I kind of got it. Did you see that? But it's gonna be very hard. So I guess over here you could just make your own house. Like, look. And with dirts I'm using it. But you can use these different metal ones. And just build your own house. It's just, how games work, just waste and have fun. Like, so you waste time and have fun. Yeah, so that's how the game's gonna work. Not the best at building. Yeah, so now we could just crop off these blocks and then let's just keep it one wall now. For now. Oh my god, it's actually gonna stand. But right now I'm not here to show you how to play a game. I'm here to show you that stuff can be built using the Usina platform. So you see, and there you are, a lovely platform to build a base for a house. And I guess you could build a really nice sky base if you want to, as you have unlimited blocks. And guess what? You fall down, if I just make a trap hole, whee, off we go. So that's how it works. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So if I go back over to close all the windows. So if I go back over to, where is it gone? I'm sorry, there. So if I go back to, I'm going to rename this. Instead of main.py, I'm going to call this the main.py. So over here, I'm going to call this, we're going to need, this is like our settings, the settings.py and main.py. There we go. I think this is supposed to rerun. Oh no, did I get rid of everything? Oh no, we got rid of everything so far what we've done. If you give me a second, I'll be back with you because I'm gonna need to take everything. So there we go. I got it back. Over here I forgot the F. Sina import all of it. So over here we're gonna test cube. There, and then test button. Let me make this a bit easier for you. Let me delete that. Oops, sorry, deleted that. Oh, every frame. Yep, and there, done. So that's where we're up so far. Okay, so now we've done that. Yeah, we don't need this. I did that for a test, but we're not gonna need that anymore. Okay, so now we're gonna need the basic window of the game. So, if we go here, we're gonna need, so all we need to, is one line of code you need to do is gonna be app equals Ursina. There we go. Now we're gonna need the basic cube. Oh, forgot the hashtag. Okay, now we're gonna need cube. There's gonna be one line of code like same, and entity model equals quad. Oh, then I'm gonna do color equals color dot orange. Then I'm going to put scale equals 2, 5, and the position I'm going to do is 5, 1. I've done my calculation, so that's how I've got it. So if you guys are willing to try out your own calculations, you could have a go too and tell me what you've got. So now we're gonna now we're just gonna do we're gonna need to create the block properly. So let's just do creating the block properly. And in that I'm gonna put test equals test cube. And then over here I'm gonna say creating a button. I'm gonna put btn equals test button punch sound audio assets punch loop equals false, and then auto play equals false. I guess that's it. And then let's just do app dot run. So it runs app dot run. So it will give it the run. Sorry, put it control S save. Okay, so now we finished that. We're gonna go ahead over to this place. So over here we're gonna do same thing from your Sina, import everything. So now from your Sina dot prefabs. Oh yeah, I just gave it a quick test, and what happened was that. So sorry, let me just finish this typing. Controller import first person controller person. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I wasn't expecting this, but okay, let me just delete this. Make this a capital. Make sure you put these as capitals. There. Okay, so over here I just got an error, and I forgot the error was I forgot to do import math. And then if I go back here, I'm also gonna need math on here. Not everything would work without maths. Okay, so now we've made the app as a variable, and now we're gonna need the grass texture. Now I've got a bunch of textures down in the assets folder, and over here I'm gonna quickly just fly through this, so you guys might think it's very weird what I'm doing. So over here when I start over here, I'm just gonna do it quickly, so it'll give me there. So what I did is assets grass block, assets stone block, big block, and dirt block, and then we got skybox and the texture and punch sound and autoplay falls and block pick 1. So now we move on to this. So window.fps underscore counter dot enabled equals false. If I go same thing, window dot exit button visit equals false. Now I'm gonna go over to making a new define, and over here I'm gonna call this update. So I just and then inside it I'm gonna put nothing. Not gonna put anything. Okay. So okay, so now in the def update the define the update, we're gonna put something called global block pick. Alright, so now if I do if held keys left mouse, if I do left, so if I hold the key left mouse or held keys the right mouse, I'm going to do hand dot activate. So it's going to activate for me. So hand dot activate. Okay, so basically it's going to activate for me. So now over here I'm going to make an else statement. I'm going to put hand dot passive. Actually passivate. But instead of wait, over here I'm just going to do active. So hand active and passive. So it's going to be passive. Then over here I'm going to do if held underscore keys 1. So this is where we better pick our block. So when if I press 1, it's going to take me to the dirt block. Yeah. So like that, we're going to do. We're just going to copy that 4 times, and in it we're going to put that. So basically, it's going to take us to. I'm going to change this to. Sorry. Sorry about that. So I'm going to change that to 2, change that to 3, and change that to 4. Over here, I'm going to change it to 4, 3, 2. There. So now that's done. Now I'm going to make another class, and over here I'm going to put voxel. Over here I'm going to put button. Now I'm going to put define in it, and then let me keep this. I don't need this for now. Define in it. Self position 0,000. Texture grass texture. Now over here I'm going to put super dot underscore init underscore parent scene the position model. The model I'm just going to put assets / block. So now that's done, I'm going to put origin And then over here I'm gonna put underscore y. Underscore y. And then over here I'm gonna put 0.5. Don't forget the commas. Texture equals texture. Then over to color, we go to color dot color, then 0,0, and then we're gonna do comma random dot uniform. And then over here we're gonna put 0.9 point, and 0. Let's do comma 1, and over here we're gonna put 1 comma here. And then I'm gonna put scale equal 0.5. So yeah, I guess that's it. And then over here we can do def input, because we're gonna need input, and I know I spelled that wrong. And then if I go over to here, okay, so yeah, input. So input, and if I, okay, so now we're at the input function, and I'm gonna do self. So self, comma, and then over here I'm gonna put key. So in this define input one, I'm gonna put if self hovered, so self hovered, I'm gonna put if key double equals to left mouse down, punch sound dot play. If block pick equals 1. Now over here is gonna be a bit it's just gonna be picking block. So over here for this, I'm just gonna fast forward through it, and over here block pick 1, voxel 1, position self, plus position mouse dot normal, texture, grass texture. So just copy that 4 times, and it should get you to finishing that. So now right under here we can put if key double equals to. So this is all in the class of voxel. It double equals to right mouse down, and then punch sound I'm gonna need, and I'm gonna need that to play. So once it's gonna play, and I'm gonna need destroy, and then in that I'm gonna put self. Okay, and so what we've done there, we've done our input function and our init function, and in that init is like our settings kind of thing. We put settings, and input is what we've done. Now to make the sky look like the sky, we're gonna need to make a class called sky. So if we go down to over here and call this a sky, and in that we're gonna put entity. In entity we're gonna put def init, self, and then over here I'll go down super dot in it. I'll open the bracket. Over here, I'm just gonna copy this and make it a bit of my own. I'm gonna put that. So what I've done there is all I've done is um, um, I've done parent equals scene, model equals sphere, texture equals sky texture, scale equals 150, and double-sided, which I put is true. So that just fills up our sky. So now if I go here and make another class called hand, and in that I'm going to put entity as well, and as in that class I'm going to put init and do the same thing. Oh yeah, I've already got it copied on my clipboard, and over here it'll just make this function super dot, like what I've done on here is I put parent dot camera dot UI, and in the assets I put arm texture. It's like our hand, so you know his arm in Minecraft. We need it to look like the real Minecraft, like how you're playing real Minecraft, but like just in a short version. So it's like how a short version of Minecraft. And over here, if we go back to define, we can define another one in the same as hand. So let's do activate. Active and self. In that, I'm going to put self dot position. And I'm going to put that vector to 0.3, 0. I just did a quick run, and what I've got error is over here when I go to the top, I forgot to import the random module. So random, and same with the main.py, random module. Oh, this is all wrong. If wait a minute. All right. Oh god. Okay. And if oh no, I did a bit of wrong stuff here. Forgot to do this. So I did start it off and got an error. So I'm just gonna copy all of this, put it in here. No, I don't think that makes sense. I think it's the other way around. Yeah, don't you feel? Because in uh if I go have a quick look, I yeah, I think I'm right. This one only goes into settings, and the settings goes into main. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna do this, make it easier for me. Made a line, and over here that's settings. I'm gonna copy all of this. When I go down here, wait a minute, no, let me go back. Delete that, there. And we copy all of this. Like also known as cut, and put it in replacing that, and we take this all out. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, let me go back to Minecraft main.py. Okay, so over here we were on this one. So where was I? Rotation and position I've done. Now over here it's 0.3, and then over here is gonna be 0 minus 0.5. I think we're just gonna be coming to an end. And then over here is passive, because this is gonna be our last lines of code now. Self, and then self dot position, and in that I'm gonna equal that to vector2 0.4 comma minus 0.6. For z in range to 20, I'm gonna put for x in range to 20 again, and then over here I'm gonna put voxel equals voxel position equals x comma 0 comma z. That's that done. Now we just need to do the last things. You just need to activate everything. So player, and at the top, remember we imported the prefabs called first person controller. We're gonna need that. Sky equals sky. We need to activate the sky, and hand equals hand. Activate that. App dot run. Alright, so there we go. Let's just save this. Let me close this and close this. If I go back to here, I can delete this. There. So, okay, yeah, so there. So there's our main .py and settings.py and our assets and everything there. So I'm just gonna press run. Wait, oh, spelled it wrong again. There we go. Oh no. So what have I got here wrong? So user, desktop, and Minecraft main.py line 33 in module. So let's see, what is my error? Button is not defined. Did you mean button? Alright, so where is this? It's in the main.py and it's on line 33. So actually, where is that one? 33, 30 here. Actually, I did mean that. There. Let's try again. Again, another error. What's the next error? Oh yeah, I forgot here. I forgot to spell it right. It's VOXEL. Save that. Try again. What is my... Okay, let me see. So, what is the error I am getting here? Let's try that. Finally. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with this? My mouse being so big. Hey, let's see. Oh, I think I've got a few mistakes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, go to my settings and see if there's any errors in here. Let me just save. Oh, there we go. My error is fixed. Should work now. No way. Everything's working except for my pink mouse. Let's see what I have. Okay. It successfully started, but if you go down here, I've got a big, like a big. What am I gonna do with this now? Let's see. If I cut through this, okay, let's make a line. Okay, so this is a nice thing to play with, but I don't think if you keep this in your thing and you go over to ideally, it works perfectly fine with there. I will just give you a quick test if you want to see. Oh, let me just give me a second. If I go to where's my Minecraft there, and the Minecraft, my, if I show you F5, there is no big mouse on there. Look, if you see, there is no big mouse. Is just gives me the normal one, correct size, and I don't know what the mistake is. But yeah, oh, I fell off. Amazing. So that's, I don't think there's any mistake, but I will put these files on GitHub so you guys can check this, and always try on ideally because I don't think Sublime is the best. And if you guys want to download Sublime, I've got a Sublime text, I've got a video regarding that. And if you guys want to download Kite, I've got a video regarding that too, because Kite is also a really um, nice. It's like another. It's like Sublime Text but easier, and it's not an editor. It's like a helper for Python and other languages, programming languages. So thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Um, if you have any errors, need any help or anything, please. There's a chat. You can try in that, and see you next time. Bye.